What if the future of Apple isn't being decided on stage? What if it's happening behind closed doors? Two leaders, two completely different visions, and one company worth trillions. Apple isn't just a company, it's one of the most powerful forces in the world. After Steve Jobs, everything changed. Tim Cook stepped in, not as a visionary showman, but as a master of precision. And under him, Apple didn't just survive, it exploded. But while Apple scaled, another leader was quietly rising. John Ternus. The man behind Apple's most important products. Cook builds systems, Ternus builds products, and slowly, Apple began to feel different, safer, more predictable. But the world isn't slowing down. AI, new realities, new ecosystems. And Apple may need something more than perfection. It may need vision again. Tim Cook plays the long game, every move calculated, every risk controlled. He turned Apple into a recurring revenue machine, but Ternus represents something else. A return to bold ideas, efficiency versus innovation, stability versus risk. There's no public battle. But inside Apple, the shift is happening. Ternus is being trusted, elevated, positioned. Is he the next CEO of Apple? Because this isn't just about leadership. It's about Apple's future, and Apple isn't the only company going through this. There's another shift happening, and it could change everything.